Hey guys, what's going on? Today I'm going to show you how to make $6,446 with Fiverr.com. And in this video, I'm going to show you why Fiverr is one of the fastest way to make money online, how you can get started today absolutely free from anywhere in the world, how to get this down to 1 hour of work per day, and exactly which gigs you need to sell if you have no skills or no experience. This will allow you to work from home with only your laptop and internet connection. Also, if you stay to the end, I am going to show you 2 quick things you need to do to 4x your results and get a big edge on your competition. So make sure you stay on this video all the way to the end. But before that, if you like videos about making money online, online business, and entrepreneurship, subscribe to this channel and take the notification bell to join the Freedom family. Also, if you want my #1 recommendation to make money online, there is a link down in the description. Now let's get into today's video. Hey guys, what's going on? It's Andy FL, and today I'm going to show you a bunch of secrets from Fiverr.com. And I actually think this is one of the easiest and fastest ways to start as a complete beginner. Now, my friend Bobby just made around $6,446 with Fiverr, and I have actually talked to him, and I'm gonna give you away a bunch of different secrets where you can start fast today and start getting paid by Fiverr, and hopefully get this to an income where you can quit your job and actually make a full-time living online from just Fiverr. So I'm just gonna show you, if you don't know what Fiverr really is, you can see right here, Fiverr is basically, it started where you can get a lot of things done, where you can hire a lot of different people for just $5. But now they have like higher tier items where you can sell for like $100, $200, all the way up to like thousands of dollars. But to just show you what it is, I'm just gonna go in here, like graphics designs, you have logo design, banner ads, digital marketing, SEO, all of this stuff right here. Even if you don't have any experience, I'm gonna show you what you're gonna go into. For example, logo design, if you go in here, you can see all of these different gigs. Now, logo design is a pretty hard thing on Fiverr because there's so much competition. So I don't recommend you go into logo designs. But as you can see, like people getting results right here, and they have like 247 orders in queue, so that's money just waiting for them, and also like 86,000 reviews right here. So let's calculate this. $25. So they also have like the basic, the standard, and premium package. So you don't know if they just paid $25. But let's say that all of these guys just paid $25. So 7 times 25, that's $6,000 just waiting for them to get paid. It's insane. Like, this is just growing. Like, Fiverr is growing and growing even faster than a bunch of freelancing websites. They're just taking customers from freelancing websites because people want to go here and they just want to see the portfolio, they want to hire, and they don't want to fuss around with talking with people. That's why it's so cool to go with Fiverr. So you can just check around and see that people are making a ton of money doing this exact thing. But what are you gonna do, and how are you going to make money on Fiverr if you don't have any skills, and how can you get started for completely free? So what I'm going to talk about right now is called digital arbitrage, where digital arbitrage is basically you have someone that needs, for example, a logo, and they're willing to pay $5 for that logo. But you know that online you can find someone that is willing to make a logo for $1. So basically, you have a guy willing to pay $5, you can pay someone $1, and you make that in between. All right, so you make $4 if it's $5 and $1, but we're gonna try and do something cool today. All right, so what we're gonna do is that we're going to go to SEOclerks.com, and as you can see right here, we can go into SEO Clerks, and this is kind of a very similar website like Fiverr. And what we're gonna do here, and I'm gonna show you something funny right now. So you can search traffic, and a lot of people on this website are searching for traffic and how to get traffic to their website, get visitors to their website, and all of this stuff. So you can search traffic right here, and also we can go on Fiverr and we can search for traffic. And as you can see, traffic here and traffic right here. So what you'll see right here is unlimited human traffic, 3,000 targeted web traffic in your web worldwide, 1,000 daily traffic to your website. And you can see that the prices right here are super cheap. And if we go to Fiverr, we can go here and we can see like real website, country targeted, low bounce rate. I will post a high traffic website. If we go into best selling, we can actually see the best selling ones. I will send you unlimited true Google search traffic. I will bring real visitors, targeted web traffic. So as you can see here, people are searching for traffic on Fiverr, but also they don't really know about SEO clerks. So what you should do is you should sort by most highly rated. So if we just do that, you can see that like the highest rated one is $1, and you see the reviews are very positive, but you see like 23 negative ratings. That's not too good. And you can see the level that the user has right here. X3 is the highest one, level 3 is a good one. But as you can see right here, so let's see 1,000, let's see 2,500 safe traffickers for $1. But he's only level 1, so we want to go down a little bit more. See this guy right here, 1,000, actually 21,000 web traffic worldwide from search engine. So we're actually going to go in here and we're going to see right here daily. We're going to see daily 6,000, 7,000 traffic worldwide, real traffic, worldwide visitors. All of it looks good. You can see the rating right here. Great experience, great, thank you. It looks like this seller is actually good. So essentially what we're gonna do is that we're gonna post a gig on Fiverr that is very similar to this one right here. So you can basically copy this and make it a little bit of a spin on it. You can go here, you can copy this and spin it a little bit again and make it very similar, and then you can sell traffic from on Fiverr. And whenever you get a gig, you go over to SEO clerks and you buy that and you make what's in between, like $4. And I can tell you that so many people are actually doing this. I bet that most of these gigs right here are from SEO clerks or similar websites like that. You can also like go deep into SEO clerks and contact the sellers, and you can get even better deals like 2 for 1 and all of this stuff, even though it is for like $1. And I bet you that if we go down here, we will find, or if we search for 41,000, we can find someone that actually is doing the exact, yeah. So as you can see, some people right here are actually selling this exact same. I will add Sensave and look at this and look at this. So you can see that they're the exact same one. And you can actually see that she has 5-star rating and 35 reviews. So it actually works. And if we see right here, you can see that real world traffic, worldwide visitors, daily 6,000 to 7,000, exactly the same as this, and people are buying it. And you can also see that the reviews right here on point with everything. Great work, very fast delivery, keep it up, thank you, looks fine. All of it is good and people are actually happy. And you might think that this is unethical, but it truly isn't. Like, this happens all over the place, where it's like a Louis Vuitton bag doesn't cost $2,000. It costs just a tiny bit to actually manufacture that bag. Or any clothes that you ever buy is digital arbitrage. In logos, a lot of like big businesses pay like $2,000 for a logo, where they outsource it for like $200 and they make like the in between. So like $1,800 they made because of this digital arbitrage. So this happens all across the web. But I told you that I was going to show you a way that you can actually double or even 4 times your sales on Fiverr. The way that you get the most sales is that you have a video right here. And when you click here and you click on become a seller, so this is what basically what you have to do. You click on become a seller and then you start making your gig. You click on continue, you click on continue, and then you write your full name, you write all of this down, and then you make your gig. And in that gig, it will say like a video. And what Fiverr does right now is that they are promoting videos hard. If you make a video, and people watch that video, you will get a lot higher up in the ranks on Fiverr. The second thing that you can do is that you actually have different levels. So I'm gonna show you right here. You actually have different levels on Fiverr where you have like 7 active gigs. Where you're a newbie, you just created your store, you can have 7 active gigs, you can have 2 extra gigs and all of this stuff. Level 1 is actually complete at least 60 days as an active seller on Fiverr, complete at least 10 individual orders all time, and earn at least $400, and all of these other stuff. You can pause the video right now if you want to see all of this, but this is level number 1. Level number 2, however, is where the magic happens. This is where you make the sales. And I can tell you this, that if you reach level number 2, you will have daily orders coming into your account every single morning. When you wake up, you're like, oh, I got a new one, I got a new one. And you will wake up to orders. But again, this doesn't come out of the blue. Like, you have to actually work for this, and you have to actually start putting in the work, start putting in the time. And as you can see right here, to reach level number 2, you have to complete at least 120 days as an active seller on Fiverr. So this doesn't happen overnight. This takes 3 months. So as you can see, level number 2 is where we want to be at, and then you can become a top rated seller, and Fiverr will just push you to the top of the search, push you to the top of the rankings very fast, because you're a top rated seller and they trust you. And that, on top of the video, will get you so much more orders, get you a lot more gigs. The last thing I want to say that is going to increase your orders is that when you make your gig, you basically say at the end, you say free bonus. And if we're talking about like 41,000 web traffic to their website, we can add a free bonus that literally says like, you're gonna get a free bonus that shows you how to drive traffic or something like that. And what you're gonna give away is basically a traffic PLR. So you can have like best traffic PLR products, and you can give away this for free. So PLR basically means private label rights, and that means that you can buy this and you can give it away as your own. That's what PLR stands for. So you can give away like social media traffic as a free bonus, and you have that at the end of your gig name, and people will come into you because you're giving something away for free. Actually, having the word free is one of the best marketing plots ever. Like the word free is just a magical word where people just come in. So if this is something that really interests you, you have gotten a lot of information out of this video right now. But if you actually want to take it a step further and actually make this your full-time gig where you make money online doing this exact thing, you can buy my friend's Fiverr course, where he shows you more in depth about exactly what you have to do to make this happen. And when you click on the link in the description, you'll be taken to this bonus page right here, where I'm gonna give you a lot of different bonuses to just sweeten the deal and make this as easy as possible for you to get started and to make sales fast. And the first bonus that I want to give away to you is a massive Fiverr traffic. So when you post your gig on Fiverr, the number one thing you have to do is to get people to come in and buy from you. And the way that we do that is we drive traffic from other social media platforms, that's Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and all kinds of different stuff that I'm going to show you in this bonus right here that you get when you purchase the course. And also, I'm going to give you the 5-minute Fiverr gig image. So if you don't know how to make this image right here, where you like all of these images right here, I'm going to show you very, very quickly how you can make a Fiverr gig that basically says what you need to say and to sell it better. And this literally takes 5 minutes. You can do it really, really quickly, and it doesn't cost anything. So sell yourself right here. So you need to have a really nice image, because that's your storefront, you know, you have to make it really nice. The third bonus that you're gonna get for free is increase your orders. So there's actually a few tricks that you can do to increase your orders and to make the people that have bought before buy again. And that's what this bonus is all about, that you're gonna get for free when you buy the Fiverrlicious, which the course is called. The fourth bonus is first page ranking secrets, and this is how you can actually plot a few different words into the description and into your images and optimize basically your Fiverr gig to rank on the first page. And when you rank on the first page, for example, if you click on graphic designs and we go to logo, if you land on the first page right here, you're gonna get so much more sales on your Fiverr gigs. So that's what this bonus is all about. And the last one, the last bonus is top rated seller secrets. So basically this is a video of a top rated seller on Fiverr where he shares everything. He's getting asked a bunch of questions from Fiverr gigs or Fiverr gig sellers, vendors on Fiverr to help them grow and to help them get better in Fiverr. So he's telling all of the best secrets right here in the last bonus. But you can only get these bonuses right now until this timer is gone. So once this timer is gone, maybe you're watching this a little bit in the future and the timer is really low, but you only get these bonuses if you buy within the timer. So you're gonna get the entire course showing you step by step through the exact method that you have to do. You're gonna get the massive Fiverr traffic that's gonna show you how to get traffic to your website or to your Fiverr gig. And then you're gonna get bonus number 2, 5-minute Fiverr gig image that you're gonna make to sell yourself. You're gonna get the increase your orders. You're gonna get the first page ranking secrets, and you're gonna get the top rated seller secrets all today until this until this timer is gone. So that's really the package that I've put together for you guys to make this one of the easiest ways to make money online, where Fiverr, you can actually start getting a lot of money. And what actually happens is that a lot of people start with Fiverr, they start with Upwork and freelancing, and then they move into other things. Once they have gotten enough income online from Fiverr, they can start working on other stuff as well. So this is the perfect like gateway drug into making money online. But that is going to be today's video. Go in the link in the description and check out this page right here. And also I'm going to have a review of the product where I walk through like the entire product right here and not my stupid looking face. But that is going to be today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Go in the description down below and I'll see you in the next video.